Alright, so here's North Station on a quiet night. Celts are playing tomorrow night. Right here, playoffs. Bruins were here, lost last night. Apparently there's no concert tonight, so we can poke around a little, show you around a little bit without all the people. So there's TTT, commuter rail, orange line, Amtrak. There's Bobby Orr. So you got Bill Russell down City Hall and Bobby Orr right here. Those aren't the championship banners, those are promotional. Yeah, there we go. Holiday. Love Holiday. So calm and in control all the time. Never get to see these logos because always covered with people heading in. So that's pretty cool on the stairs. So there's a train in there, North Station, the actual train station. Big night live.